Welcome to 2215 Jericho Way, your luxurious mountain retreat and income-producing powerhouse, nestled just minutes from Pigeon Forge and Sevierville in the heart of the Smokies. Completed in 2024, this is more than just a getaway. It's an investment. With a certificate of occupancy for up to 30 guests and gross rental projections between $220,000 and $270,000 annually, this luxury property is built to perform. Step inside nearly 5,800 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. The main level welcomes you with an open floor plan, perfect for entertaining and large group gatherings. The fully equipped kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and an oversized island breakfast bar. Multiple dining tables make mealtime a breeze, whether you're hosting a family reunion or a weekend retreat. Relax by the electric fireplace in the spacious living room, complete with a large flat-screen TV and plush leather seating. And step out onto the expansive main deck, the perfect place to soak in the crisp mountain air and panoramic views. This cabin boasts 8 bedrooms and 8.5 baths, with 4 bedrooms on each floor, all offering ensuite baths and generous space. Each room is designed with comfort and privacy in mind, offering individual closets and flat-screen TV connections. Upstairs, the fun continues in the fully loaded game room. From pool and foosball to air hockey and shuffleboard, there's something here for everyone. And the upper level deck offers breathtaking views of Bluff Mountain and distant peaks of the Smokies. But the true showstopper? The detached pool house, featuring a large heated indoor pool and a half bath for added convenience. Above, a covered lighted pavilion creates the ultimate hangout spot. With swinging chairs, dining tables, and space for games or outdoor fun, this is mountain relaxation at its best. Located just 10 to 15 minutes from Pigeon Forge and Sevierville, and with easy back road access, your guests can skip the traffic and spend more time making memories. Whether you're looking to expand your short-term rental portfolio or create a legacy getaway for generations to come, 2215 Jericho Way is your opportunity to own a slice of Smoky Mountain luxury. Call Louis Josey of Prime Mountain Properties direct.